ContextCapture tutorial, Geometry Retouch using ContextCapture and Bentley Descartes. Step-by-step operations. Step 1. Export the title to edit in Bentley DGN format. Step 2. Open the DGN in Descartes Connect. Step 3. Edit the mesh. Step 4. Save the DGN. Step 5. Import the DGN back in ContextCapture. Step 6. Update your production. Once your production is done, check it in the 3D view. Identify the part of the mesh that you would like to edit. Submit a new production and select 3D Mesh for Retouching option. For the geometry touch-up, you can unselect Include Texture Maps option. Choose the title to be exported by selecting it from the 3D view. Submit production. Once your production is completed, open your mesh editing tool. Here we will use Bentley Descartes Connect. Open the output directory and open the DGN with Descartes Connect. Identify the part of the mesh you would like to edit. In this example, delete mesh faces and close mesh voids tools are used. Save your DGN once finished. Browse to the folder containing your retouched DGN. Back in ContextCapture, go to the Reference 3D Model tab and click on Import Retouches. Select your outdated production and submit update. Your production is now updated. Open the 3D view / Acute 3D viewer to visualize the changes.